This video demonstrates how to use the Telemetry Dashboard in the AmpCon-DC Management Platform to monitor real-time performance data from various network devices, including key metrics such as port status, error counters, bandwidth utilization, routing neighbors, and device resource usage. First, navigate to the Telemetry Dashboard page. Next, select a specific time range to view historical data for that period. You can now review key metrics and trends within the selected time frame. Hover over any data line to view detailed values. To focus on specific data, simply deselect a metric to hide it from the chart. Click it again to bring the line back into view. You can also filter by specific data fields. Deselecting a field will remove its chart, and reselecting it will display it again. For better comparison, try switching the chart to display 5, 10, or 25 items at a time, depending on your needs.